What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 21 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this small travel trailer that is great for solo campers or couples. This RV is the Jayco J-Flight SLX 160LK. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is the Jayco J-Flight SLX 160LK. This RV offers a small layout that makes it great for couples or solo travelers. First though, let's take a look at the specs before we tour this RV. So you've got a dry hitch weight of 320 pounds, an unload vehicle weight of 3,455 pounds, a gross vehicle weight of 4,700 pounds, so just under 5,000 pounds, which makes this RV really easy to tow, and then you've got a total length of 21 feet 5 inches. Alright, so we're going to start on the front of this RV and then make our way around the outside and then head inside. So starting up front, you've got your rounded front cap, and all of the exterior of this RV is aluminum siding. You got a propane tank as well as a crank jack. And then heading over to the side, you've got your portable water inlet where you can fill up your water tank. And then above that is an egress window that sits above the bed in the inside. Then this RV does have a slide out. It's a little bit on the smaller side, but you'll see that it definitely opens up the space when we get inside. Down here you've got your water tank, 30 amp power hookup, as well as your city water connection. Down here you've got your sewage dump, and then this RV has scissor jacks. On the back of this RV, it is prepped for the Furrion backup camera, and then this RV also has the Lippert ladder prep. Heading over to the campsite, you've got a really large 12-foot awning. And then you've got this baggage door over here. This right here flips up, and it has a magnet on it to keep it held up. In this little storage area, you've got an outlet so you could put a mini fridge in there if you wanted to. You also have an outlet on the campsite so you could plug in a TV. And then here is your furnace exhaust. Then you've got two outdoor speakers, and this awning has an LED light strip. And then that right there is your vent for the hood vent above the stove. Up front, you have this underbelly compartment. Now, this right here doesn't pass through to the other side, but it is quite a bit of space, and you can access it from underneath the front bed. And this RV has a 2-year limited and a 3-year structural warranty. But let's go ahead and check out the inside of this Jayco J-Flight SLX 160LK. So you've got solid steps, and then the door is prepped for the Lippert thin shade, which is a pull-up shade to keep the light from pouring in through the RV door window. Up front, you've got an RV queen, and then you've got a cabinet on one side and a really large shelf up top. And then you've got a curtain that slides across for privacy. And this is what I was talking about earlier. You just lift up the bed, and you can access all of the space from underneath. Alright, now let's head over to the couch. So this right here is a jackknife sofa, so basically it's the exact same size, it just lays flat. Over to the kitchen, this right here is a pretty good sized kitchen for a small travel trailer. Lots of cabinets and drawers. And then you've got some upper cabinets. Then you've got a 2-burner cooktop as well as a microwave, and then your hood vent exhaust. Next to that is some more cabinets. Next to that, even more. Lots of cabinet space in this RV, especially down beneath the sink. And then you've got these 2 nice windows, which I love windows in the kitchen, so that's really nice. Over to the fridge, you've got a fridge on the bottom, and then you've got a freezer up on the top. Alright, now let's check out the bathroom, which is in the very back. So this bathroom has a really good sized shower for being such a small RV. Nice skylight up above, and then you have a vent fan that sits directly above the toilet. Then you've got this little cubby space, as well as cabinets up above. Really nice deep cabinets that extend all the way to the ceiling. Then you've got a mirror that sits above the sink, and then check out all this counter space. Lots of space back behind the sink, and I kind of like that. GFC outlet, and then you've got a hand towel holder, and then a lot of space underneath the sink for there being plumbing in that cabinet. Then you've got your air conditioning unit. Alright, that is going to do it for the tour of this Jayco J-Flight SLX 160LK. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.